I just got my hands on the world's most realistic Iron Man helmet. Now, apparently this looks and works exactly like it does in the movies, which honestly is a little bit hard for me to believe. And apparently it has Jarvis as well. Foam. Oh my gosh, this might be the coolest thing I've ever gotten. Guys, look at that. Okay, so I flipped the power on. It should be working. Apparently you can use this remote to control it. Let's try. No way, I have to put this on right now. Okay, so I have the mask on. Hey Jarvis, start system.
I am Jarvis.
Oh my god. Open the mask. Dude, no way. Close the mask. Enter combat mode. This is the coolest thing I own by far. So if you touch over here, it opens the mask as like one plate, but then if you touch over here, it opens the mask in plates, which I think looks so sick. I actually feel like Iron Man.